got about 20 miles to go and we are becalmed again.
This is our driveway, so it's a little bit overgrown.
I don't want to die.
This horrible thing that's been falling apart for years, it's time to make a new one.
It's 4:30 in the morning. We are nearly at Airlie Beach. It's been quite a trip. We've got about 21 miles to go. Got a bit of breeze out there. We're going about three knots, coming through all the islands in Airlie. So Magnus has been up most of the night and I've just done a little bit of a watch to give him a bit of time to have a rest. And yeah, we're dodging islands, dodging reef, because there are a lot of islands here. And we are nearly in Airlie Beach. Should be another 6 hours or so. So yeah, we're looking forward to it. See ya. We're nearly there. The last morning. Coming into the Whitsundays. Surrounded by islands. It's a beautiful place. About 20 miles to go and we are becalmed again. So we wait because we've got to either wait for the wind or wait for the tide to turn because it's going the wrong way. So we wait. Here comes some wind. Nearly here. A little bit of wind. Bit of shade for the doggies. It's perfect. Long Island. That one's
South Mole.
South Mole. Dead ahead is Shoot Harbour.
Haven in the background.
Haven, the furthest one.
Yeah, that's Hook Island.
Hook.
That's Whitsunday Island.
Sunday Island.
That's Dent.
Say again?
Dent Island.
Dent.
Behind that's Hamilton. Hamilton.
Hamilton behind Dent.
And then there's 1,000 other ones.
There's islands everywhere.
74.
Change. It's raining when we arrive. It's the first rain we've had in Australia, real rain anyway.
We've just got home and gone through the 2 front gates, and this is our driveway. So it's a little bit overgrown.
Magnus didn't have much luck with the cast net yesterday. It's a bit early. So we've come in this morning, it's about 6. He's giving it another go. So I'll go down and see how he's getting on. Oh, looks like there's fish in there. Oh yeah, lots of fish. Oh, look at his face. He's going, oh, happy days. There's a lot in there.
No, Mr. Heron, this one's mine. And that sounds tough.
You can dig in?
Yeah.
All right, let's see how you do it, babe.
Yeah, you know what, now you're filming, it'll be one of my rubbish.
No, it'd be perfect.
There's heaps.
Oh, so time of day is critical.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. Oh, that's crazy amount. Look at them all.
Let's take a heron fishing.
And you've got in your bucket. How many throws have you done? Oh, casts?
2.
Is that, oh, so I witnessed both of them.
Wendy and I are just out foraging on the farm. We've got lots of these cluster figs. So there you go.
There
Try
it
it,
is.
Wen.
Yeah, maybe. I don't want to die.
You won't die, it's a cluster fig.
Okay. Well, it looks like a fig. I said it was a fig.
Yeah.
Yeah. We're just seeing what we've got here. It's really cool.
This is what they look like on the inside. They smell just like figs. Now I'm going to try one. Give it a go. It's a bit like those beers we tried in Cabo, San Lucas in Mexico. They smell really good. They look really good. But it tastes like nothing. Here, try some.
Okay.
No.
It smells like melon. Doesn't it?
Yeah.
Doesn't taste like fig. At all.
What does it taste like?
Papaya.
It does, yeah, papaya.
It's got the texture of papaya too.
Yeah, that's sort of creamy.
It's, I mean, you know, it's bush food. Cheers. Magnus is using the bait that he caught this morning. It's now the end of the day. And I think we've got a fish.
Well, we're on. He's big.
Here's the bait. He's big, is he?
He's big. He's going under the boat. Don't go under the boat. Around the chain. Come on, be good. No, he's going around the chain.
He's chasing it around the boat now.
Yeah.
Gone?
Rubbed off on the boat.
Oh, broke. Did it break everything off again?
Yeah, they're too big.
Yeah. Oh, look at that. So sharp.
Fishing's so light too.
Yeah. You enjoying it though?
Whoa.
He's strong.
Yeah, I'm enjoying it. I just tired of sharks.
Yeah.
No more sharks.
No. He's still on there. Oh yeah. You can't eat him then.
Oh, I can eat him, but he wouldn't be tasty.
No. Okay.
Big teeth.
What's going on, babe? I can see you're busy doing something.
Yeah, I'm just, this horrible thing that's been falling apart for years, it's time to make a new one.
So that's the little cover for the
Yeah.
thing there.
We're going to replace this whole bench top.
Yeah, so it's temporary fix. Work in progress.
And we've taken the microwave out, and we're going to put new doors in here, sliding doors for storage. So these doors happen to be the right size to fit in there. So we're just going to make some temporary new ones.
How's it going?
Good, just finished. Just about hand them over to Wendy for staining.
Yeah, I wondered about that.
So you're going to make it look like teak.
Yeah, I can do that. Are you checking to see if the pieces that you've cut
Yeah, before we stain them.
fit in the hole?
Because we couldn't find any teak veneer here in Airlie Beach. Heath Robinson. We'll keep these nice bits of teak because when I make the outside table, it'll be
Yeah.
handy for little like, gussets and things.
Last bit to come out.
How's that puppy held in?
It's not. Is it just jammed in?
Well, there's no way that there could be a screw through
Unless
there.
it's diagonal. Is there a hole there?
No.
Diagonal screw?
I think he's got one nail in there.
What about the top? Maybe it's held in at the top rather than the bottom.
It's the same, there's a nail in there.
Oh, so he's done a diagonal nail.
Yeah, it's buried, so I'm just going to have to tap that out.
That's how you do it. Sorted. Take the little door out. So there we are, back to the way it was.
It'd be nice if we could find the original.
Yeah, I reckon they're
Doors.
in a locker somewhere. Nobody would throw those doors away.
We've checked every locker.
You wouldn't throw them away.
And we've got a little dry fit here.
Yeah, then we thought what we might do is go to the men's shed and see if they can make us up some doors. Oh, wow. Now, this is a bit of a... This is a, for now, cheap, very cheap
So just got to
scenario.
put some
That is
holes
so
in,
different.
stain that.
So different. You're going to route it so it's got like a routy thing so it matches?
No,
bother.
because the veneers.
Ah, it's not thick enough. Yeah.
I could go through one and a
Nah.
big veneer
I wouldn't bother.
and route it.
No, because that's not routed there.
No, I think
So
I'm just
you
going to leave
just
it.
keep it nice and simple.
So I just measure the holes.
Can you get circles to go in there so they don't, or you don't bother?
Well, you could go the whole hog and do all sorts of things.
Yeah, but I wonder, can you buy handles that are circles?
You can they buy those inserts, yeah.
But I mean, from like Bunnings?
No.
Okay. The whole bench is wrong,
Yeah.
which is all coming out, but this is just a bit of an interim to make it
Yeah.
a little bit nicer.
1 mil all the way around.
And we'll just varnish
And I'll
it.
put that handle back in.
Yeah, that'll look nice. And just give it a varnish, you reckon?
Yeah.
Or paint it.
No, varnish it.
Varnish it. Yeah.
So we'll take this tomorrow.
Okay. Action.
Now I know it says Stella on the glass, but it's not Stella. Look at this. Just look at that. And I made this. We've been back now a week. Oh, no, 10 days. First day we got back, I'll put a brew down. It's a dark ale. Look at that, it's just it's. So I put a brew down. It was ready in 6 days of fermentation. I bottled it. What? 4 days ago. I've just been dying to try it. So it's young. It's only been in the bottle 4 days, but character-wise, it's incredible. The head's building as we talk. Really creamy, quite small bubbles. It looks-wise, it's a dark ale. So it's a Cooper's dark ale. It's supposed to be 5%. When I took my SG readings, a bit over 5. It's about 5.2. That is a real beer. Oh, you don't even have to drink it. You can just smell it. So, I was just tired of drinking that beer in the Pacific. So I said to Wendy, as soon as we get home, I'm going to put a brew down. And at the moment, I've got 3 down. I've got an Irish Stout. I've got a lager because I got it for free. The extract. And I've got this dark ale. So we'll give it a crack. still a little bit sweet because the secondary fermentation hasn't happened fully yet. So you can still get that little bit of sweetness, but if the colorimeter was here, this temperature is spot on. This is cellar temperature. It's a little bit warm actually. But wow, the taste. Hang on. You know when you get a box of chocolates and you say to yourself, I'm just going to have one chocolate a day. I'm going to save this box. It's got 16 chocolates in it. It's going to last me over 2 weeks. By the end of the night in the movie, they're all gone. That's what's going to happen to this beer, I think. I don't think it's even going to get to secondary... Oh, I thought it was a snake. It's not even going to get to secondary fermentation. It's just too good. That is not bad. That, I don't want to brag about my own beer, but that's a 9. That is... Here, smell this.